8 ways to lose weight without exercise. Number 1, reduce your calorie intake. Consuming fewer calories is one of the most effective ways to lose weight. You must make wise food choices and avoid eating high-calorie or high-fat foods. Number 2, avoid sugary drinks. Sugary drinks like soda, energy drinks, or fruit juices contain an enormous amount of calories which can make you gain weight. Number 3, drink more water. Drinking plenty of water can help suppress hunger, and it also increases metabolism, which can aid in weight loss. Number 4, get adequate sleep. Getting enough sleep is essential as it helps maintain proper hormone function, which can affect your appetite. Number 5, increase protein intake. Consuming a high proportion of proteins can help you feel full and reduce your overall caloric intake. Number 6, eat slowly and mindfully. Eating slowly and savoring each bite can help you feel full faster and eat less. Number 7, keep healthy and low-calorie snacks on hand. Choosing healthy, low-calorie snacks and veggies or nuts prevent overeating. Number 8, chewing gum. Chewing gum can help reduce the urge to snack or nibble between meals. Remember, losing weight takes time and persistence, and it is essential to follow a healthy and balanced diet to achieve long-term success. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, put your post notifications on. See you in the next one.